Hello everyone. For today's video, I'm going to make another one of these phone grips. And this attaches to your phone. And like this on the phone case. This is one I made before. And this is just a generic brand. This is like a pop socket, but they call it a phone grip. It's by 3M. And I got these locally, but I'll put a link in the description of a place I found online so you guys can get them too if you want to. Now, I made a video of this last time, and I had put hot glue around the edges here, and I resined over the top because I didn't want it seeping down into this base part. And instead I switched the last batch I did, and I used this painter's tape, and I taped it right along this white edge right here so that I could get my resin to come over the top and onto that lip there. I gave away all the ones I made, so I can't show you right now, but I'll make another video doing that in a couple days, and I'll post that up. But I think I'm going to do a couple days of just different patterns for these, and then I'll post up the way I resined it so that I have enough that makes it warrant mixing the resin. But anyways, so here we go. And what I like about these is they're quick, they're easy, and they're fun. And people love them. So it's a bonus round all the way around. Now I realize I'm just using regular Deco Art acrylics paints. And I did use a multi-surface, especially if you get like the multi-surface apple barrel paints. You could just let them sit for like a month and they would just cure and you wouldn't have to do anything to them. But I like the way the resin looks over the top. So the last batch I just ended up using regular acrylics because I'm resining over the top. And it's going across and down this lip. So it's going to hold it in there. So I'm not really concerned about how well it adheres permanently on here. But if you're not going to resin, you need to use multi-surface. So my first color I'm going to use is this Hauser Dark Green. And for my center dot, I think I'm just going to do a number 8. And you can get these in all different colors. I've got like a rainbow of colors that I bought. Okay, now I'm going to go around that. It might be a little off center. With a number 2. And I'm just doing 8 dots. Now I'm going to go up to the 4 in the same color and do every other one. I'm going to switch to this Snow Titanium white color. And I'm going to go down to the number 1, and I'm going to walk some dots around these. Now these patterns will be good if you want to just make like a small necklace or a magnet. Yeah, they're 1.5 inches. So this is like the size of one of those little wooden magnets. I'm going to go to the number 2 with white and do a dot in between. Now I'm going to go up to the number 4 with white and do a dot out from where I just dotted. And I am off center, I can see that already. And it'll still be cute. Oh, with a number 3, and I'm going to go to the dark green color and do a dot out from these. And then I'm going to go down to the number 2, and I'm going to walk them from that one to the white one. Just a couple dots over. So to make this so that it doesn't look as bad off center, I'm going to do a row on the outside edge in that dark green color with this number 5, and you'll see why in a minute. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this space in with white, and I'm just going to use random dots because this is kind of off-centered and you won't really notice it so much if you do that. And I do that a lot when I make a little mistake. So I'm going to use the number 3 to start out, and I'm just going to do random dots. Okay, now they're getting kind of close together, so I'll go down to the 2. I'm just trying to fill in that background a little bit, but I still want the color to show through, so not completely. And I think I'm going to leave that as my pattern. I'm going to go in and do a little bit of top dotting. But you see how that kind of camouflages that it's off center? I mean, if you stare at it, you're going to see it. But for this, it's just going to be on the back of somebody's phone, and they're not going to be staring at it like that. It might even be on the back of my phone. Okay, now I'm going to use this sour apple, which matches the background pretty good. I'm going to go down to the number 1, and I'm going to dot on those bigger green dots. I think I'm going to do these bigger white ones too with that. And then I'm going to go up to the number 3 and do one right in the center dot. And then I think I'm going to do these 2 in the number 2 with that same green, a sour apple. There. I think I'm going to leave it at that. And just a cute little foam grip. So if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. And thank you for watching as always. I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.